Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Chris from Equalize Designz, and in this video today, I'm going to show you guys how to image trace using Adobe Illustrator. Let's go. Okay guys, so we're in Adobe Illustrator, and I'm going to show you guys how to vectorize your roster graphics. So I'm going to come into my Finder, and I'm going to grab this Mario image, and what I want to do first is just gonna duplicate him so I can actually see how the vectorizing goes. So first thing I want to do is I'm going to go to image trace, and already you can see there's some differences between the vector graphic and the actual raster graphic I duplicated. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna zoom in real quick. I'm gonna show you guys some. You see how I'm zooming in right now and it just gets so pixelated? Well, that's with raster graphic, it works with pixels. With vector graphics, if I zoom all the way in, I can zoom in all 100%, 1000%, and it's not going to blur out, it's not going to be pixelized because it's a vector graphic. Vectors work with lines and it's not pixelized. Like pixels work in boxes. So now to continue to vectorize, I'm just gonna bring in the image tracing panel, and we're gonna mess with the threshold, and what we want to do, we really want to make this vector graphic that we just made look like the original. And what we can do now, when we press the advanced button, like mine's already open because I already started doing some vectorizing. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna work on the paths. We're gonna bring it to 85. And you see it's starting to look like the original a little bit. And also the corners I'm gonna bring to 85. Now the noise I'm going to bring it down to 12. Okay. So now it's looking a lot like the original image. Now the next thing I want to show you is very important because when you hit ignore white, what that does, it actually makes it the background transparent. Let me show you. If I bring this Mario off the stage, he's basically like an outline. Like there's no background, there's nothing, there's no fill, it's just an outline. So now what we can do is we can close this panel out and expand. Okay. So what we want to do, now we can get rid of this guy. And now we just have him. So what I'm going to do is I'm gonna make him bigger. Okay. And now say we want to color in Mario, okay? So when we did the image trace, it was black and white. So meaning that any colors that we use is either gonna be between black and white. You know, white, grays, and then black. To actually change that so we can actually give him reds and the blue for him. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna come over here to color and we're gonna select one of these. So let me explain. If you're using an image for web, it's gonna be RGB. Anything for print, you're gonna use CMYK. So since I'm actually just gonna be using it to for like maybe posting options, I'm gonna use RGB. Okay. So now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go to our live brush. Okay, which is right here. Now Now, I like using shortcuts because I work smarter, not harder. So you can press actually K, like so. I press V for the selection tool, and then I can press K for the live brush. So now let's actually select our colors and color Mario. So we're gonna zoom in real quick, and I'm going to work on his M first. So right now it's the M, then his hat, his hat. Alright, Mario has been colored. Okay. Okay, so we finished coloring Mario. The next image I'm gonna bring is already a colored image. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna make another artboard. So this icon right here will allow you to make new artboards. So what we're gonna do is hit the plus icon right here for new artboard. So now that we have a second artboard, we can import our image. So this one's a color image. Hello Kitty, one of my favorite, one of my niece's favorite image, characters. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna do the same method. I'm gonna duplicate it, and I'm gonna image trace this one. And already you can see that it's black and white, but we're not gonna actually do the same method as we did Mario. What we're gonna do is we're gonna open up our image trace panel, and we're gonna select color. And what we're gonna do is when you're image tracing image, when you and it already has the color, what you're gonna do is count how many colors the image has, and then here you're gonna bring it down. It starts at 30, and you can bring it down to how many colors the image has. So for Hello Kitty, the image for Hello Kitty image, it has 5 colors. So we're gonna bring it down to 5. And then next thing, everything else from here is the same. The paths is at 85, and as well as the corners, 85. The noise is at 13. And then from there, we can ignore white. So now when we ignore white, we can delete this now. And Hello Kitty is a white character, and I ignored white. She's gonna be transparent. So what we're gonna do is, I'm actually gonna make her bigger, and we're gonna press K for live paint bucket. And I already have white selected. I can just select her face, her hands, her paws, and her legs. Now we take her off the stage real quick. You can see that she has been colored. Okay guys, so that is 2 ways how you can image trace images in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you for watching and have a great day.